Hi everyone, this is Ms. Wynn with Tanoaks. I wanted to get on here to show you guys how to log into your iReady. You will use Clever this year to log into iReady. And to get to Clever, when you go on the Horry County Schools webpage at the home page, you will see this button right here with the puzzle piece. That will get you into the Student Learning Commons. Once you click on that button, it's going to ask you to log in. When you log in, it will ask you for a username and a password. This is your username, just your first and last name to get into your Chromebook account or any Horry County Schools account. Again, it's just your first and last name. What will happen is it will populate your email address on there in the form of HCSAD or something similar to that. But for my end, I'm going to log in the way it's telling me to log in. And again, your password is the same one that you're logging into your Chromebook. Once you see the screen to log in, you will click on iReady. I had some of you guys favorite it already on Friday when we did our digital content. If you don't see it here in your favorites, you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says More Apps at the bottom of the page and click on the iReady icon here. Once you click on that icon, it will preload the dashboard for iReady. My dashboard is going to look a little bit different from yours, but your dashboard is going to say diagnostic, and it's going to ask for you to start on your diagnostic. And that is how you're going to get into iReady to do your diagnostic. All you have to do is click start or the big button that says diagnostic on it.